The trim formula lets you get rid of leading white spaces. So I made two pretty obvious here with fall. So I type in equals trim. I'll pick my trim formula, and then it says, what's your data? I'm going to pick all of this data. So I'm going to replace the whole column. We'll pretend that there are more mistakes down here other places. And hit return. And it creates a new column for me that has the same data but without the white spaces. So I need to copy and paste this over in my original test term column so that I've gotten rid of all the white spaces. It's just so hard to see them if you're just looking at them. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to come over to test term, and I'm going to select it, and I'm going to right click and select paste special values only. And that's going to fix all the white spaces for me. If I just paste it, it's not going to know where to find the data because it was based on a column of data that's gone. And then you can just get rid of this particular column, and that will give you your things without white spaces here. You could do the whole sheet if you wanted to, and then just copy and paste it, but you probably will have formulas associated in that somewhere. Just remember, when you copy and paste, you have to use paste special.